All right, number 19, Levi Warren. Suppose that a gene editing technology like CRISPR could change the cells of a zygote to change the sex of the individual. Would there or should there be a secular question as to the eventual sex? Would there or should there be a secular question as to the eventual sex? It sounds like you're saying, I could be wrong here, that if you use gene editing tech and you changed, theoretically, you could change the zygote from one sex to another because you actually twist and mess with things and change them. Can they later say that person's trans? Like, is there a secular question as to the eventual sex? Like, if you make them X, Y, you know, or vice versa, you make them whatever X is it? Why do I not remember this? Because I'm not a biologist. Not a biologist. Then yeah, like, let's say that you did this with your baby in the womb. I think the modern, more progressive secular view is that it doesn't matter. The child or the person themselves can just say, like, no, I'm a boy, I'm a girl, I declare that. And that's it. It's just, I say so, therefore I am. So I think that, yeah, there's another question about the morality of going and changing the sex of a baby. And I think that seems immoral to me. But I think that has to do with medical ethics and some tough questions. People wrestle with these things all the time. And yeah. Would there be a secular question as to the eventual sex? Yeah, I think if by secular you mean the stuff that's promoted right now by like Disney or like the mainstream media or those types of things, yes, there would be, because they're so committed to this idea that of individualism, hyper individualism, where you can create your own identity out of your desires and not out of your physical realities. Like your desires trump physical reality itself. It's crazy. But yeah, it wouldn't matter what your genes said. It would matter what you said.